Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to give you an assignment which is based on using arrays in Java. So let's get started. As part of this assignment, you need to write a Java program to find and then print the largest and the smallest elements of a single dimensional array. So how to write a Java program? Let me give you some instructions for writing this Java program. You need to first create a single dimensional array containing some numerical elements, okay, in the array. So whether you can go with the shortcut representation or normal representation where you can create the array, you can declare the array, and also you can initialize the elements of the array. After doing that, after once you create an array with some elements, in that numerical elements, you need to find the largest element of the array, and also you need to find the smallest element of the array, and then you have to print them as output. The smallest element of the array is this, the largest element of the array is this. Like this, you have to print in the output. Hope you understood what you have to write here as a Java program for solving this assignment or problem. So now you can pause this video and write the Java program and achieve this solution by yourself. Okay. Assuming that you have written the Java program, now you can resume this video so that you can cross check your Java program with whatever I'm going to write right now. Okay. Both are matching, then you are good to go. So let me switch to this Eclipse ID. Here I'm going to create a new class as part of solving that assignment for you. So demo, give some random name, main method you create. Inside the main method, first you create an array, guys. Okay. Inside this main method, first you create an array. Numerical array you try to create. Okay. A numerical array you try to create. Whether it is an integer array or double array, doesn't matter, guys. Okay. Just create some numerical array. Here I'm taking an example for integer array. 935 6 7 2 4 8 15 1 25. Okay, then let's give some numbers. That's okay. Okay, 11 44 12 89 89, then 34 22 55. Okay, then I'll give some random things. Okay, 37. So like I have given so many numbers in this particular array, right? I have given so many numbers, okay, and stored in this array. Now I need to find the largest number and smallest number in this particular array. To find that, simple way to do here is first write down here int max, that is the largest number, is equal to give the first element of the array. Okay, initially give the first element of the array. Let's say AR of 0 having the index 0. At the index 0, whatever the element is there, you are simply assuming that for a while that it is a maximum number. Okay. Now you can use for each loop or traditional for loop, whatever you want. Okay, I'm going with a for each loop because each and every element of the array is of int type. So int e colon AR, for each and every element we are iterating, right? Now here I'm going to check if in case, if condition, if so is if this particular element in this iteration of the for each loop is greater than max, whatever I thought of, okay, in the first element I have considered as max for now, right? If that particular e is, okay, that in that particular iteration, every element will come as part of the iteration. If that is greater than this AR of 0, then what I have to do? Then I have to say max is equal to E. Okay, I need to update the value of this max with E because E is greater than AR of 0, the first element. So in next iterations, whenever you encounter some element which is greater than this max element, okay, then I'm going to update the value of max to, and the next iteration, another element will come. If that is also greater than this updated max, then that element will become the next max and keep on going till the end of the array. Now, system.out.println, largest element of the array is plus max, I'll say. Okay, this is a way to find the maximum element. For now, let's run this. Okay, but I need to also write the Java program to find and print the smallest element of the array also. But for now, I'm printing only the largest element. Okay, if this works fine, I'll go with the smallest element also. Okay, right click run as Java application and see what is getting printed. Largest element of the array is 89 is getting printed. Okay, is that so? Let's find it out. Is that so? Is the largest element of the array is 89. You see 9, 3, 5, 7. Till now 9 is the greatest till here. Till here 9 is the greatest. 9, 15. 15 is the greatest. Now 15 till now. 15 is the greatest. So 15 is the greatest. Now 15, 25. 25 is the greatest. 25, 11, 44, 40, 25, 44. 44 is the greatest. 44, 12. 44 is the greatest. 44, 89. 89 is the greatest. 44, 89. 89 is the greatest. 89, 34. 89 is the greatest. 89, 22. 89 is the greatest. 89, 55. 89 is the greatest. 89, 37. 89 is the greatest. So we are getting the correct answer. Okay, correct output. So this is working fine. Similarly, I want to find the smallest. I'll say min is equal to again AR of 0 I'll give. Again, I'll create the for each loop. Similar way I have written this for finding the largest element, right? For smallest element also. I'll again iterate int e colon AR. Then if E is less than min, if in case that particular element in that iteration of this particular array is less than min, then min is equal to E, I will say. Okay. I'll assign min is equal to E. And we are updating the value of min every time you find a particular element which is less than the so far minimum value that we found. Okay. Until we reach the end of the elements of the array, we should be able to find the minimum element of the array. System.out.println smallest element of the array is plus min you write down. Okay, plus min. Now run this code, right click run as Java application and see in the output console the smallest element of the array is 1. Okay, largest element of the array is 89. Is it correct? Yes, find out 9, 3, 5. So till here 3 is the smallest, 3, 5, 3 is the smallest, 3, 6, 3 is the smallest, 3, 7, 3 is the smallest, 3, 2, 2 is the smallest, 2, 4, 2 is the smallest, 2, 8, 2 is the smallest, 15, 2 is 2, 1, 1 is the smallest now, 125, 1, 111, 1 only smallest, 144, 1, 112, 1, 189, 1 is smallest, 134, 1 is smallest, 122, 1 is smallest, 155, 1 is smallest, 137, 1 is smallest. So we finally found the smallest number, we finally found the largest number. And this is the logic that we have to write for finding the largest and smallest element of a single dimensional array in Java. So hope guys you understood how to write a Java program to find and print the largest and smallest elements of an array. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.